This is Blackview Tab12 Pro, and today I'll show all available screenshotting methods on this device. So the first method is through simultaneously pressing the volume down and power keys, just like that. So power button and volume down buttons, press them at the same time, and the screenshot gets taken. Another way is to open the control panel by sliding your finger downwards from the status bar like that. And here, simply find the screenshot option, tap on it, and the screenshot gets taken as well. There is another third method that you can make the screenshot through. It is called the 3-point screenshot. You'll find its preferences and settings in the gestures and keys category of settings. So here, go into gesture motion and switch on the 3-point screenshot. Then, in order to capture it, just make the following gesture like that. And as you can see, the screenshot gets taken. So move your 3 fingers from top to bottom, slide them, and the screenshot gets taken. Anyway, as far as this video goes, that'll be it. So thanks for watching, and bye-bye.